Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Kneady app is and how it's positioned. Based on official App Store and Google Play listings, Kneady is a food and drink app focused specifically on bread and baking recipes for home users. It is positioned as a guided baking tool that combines recipes, step-by-step instructions, and learning resources in one place. According to the official app description, the platform includes hundreds of recipes created by professional bakers and adapted for home cooking. The same source highlights that users can follow detailed step-by-step instructions directly on their device while baking. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. Official listings also mention features like saving favorite recipes for quick access during repeat baking sessions. Another confirmed feature is built-in timers for tracking stages like kneading, proofing, and baking. The app includes measurement conversion tools, allowing users to switch between metric and imperial units depending on preference. There is also a distraction-free baking mode, which is designed to help users stay focused during the process. According to the official description, users can filter recipes using advanced search tools to find specific types of bread or difficulty levels. The app also includes a community element where users can share results and interact with other bakers. Subscription options are mentioned in the App Store listing, which may unlock additional features beyond the free version. This may indicate that not all content or tools are available without a paid plan. For users interested in learning bread baking with structured guidance, this could be an option. This app may be useful for beginners who want simplified recipes, as well as more experienced bakers looking for curated content. There is limited independent third-party evaluation of this app's performance, so real-world reliability may vary. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.